Today we're gonna be making this pet parrot like this. This is how it works. You can hang on your different pieces, and it hangs on your hand like this. Oh my god, it's very hard to do it. You have to like do that. Then just make it hang on you. If you want it to hang on you, maybe just adjust these a little bit. So yeah, hang on you like that. That one, and then just put it on. This is gonna hang on you. Let's get started. Okay. Let's first fold it like this. Okay. Bam. Now open it up. Now let's fold it like this. After you're done folding each time, we bonk, then bonk, then bonk. Now open it, just like that. Then you're gonna have a shape like this. Then fold it like this, whichever way you want. Just fold it. This video is going to be a little wobbly because I'm using iPod and doing it. So, yep. And plus, this is like very bad one because let me bend this part. Nope. Do that on the same side. Do that on the same. Put this side. I'm going to come back in a sec. Folding on what I'm going to do. I'm back. Okay. Let's fix that. Open it all up. Put these like this. Now we're going to be using scissors. Don't know how to do it. Like that. Cut right in the middle like this. I use one go. Oh, that's okay. Okay, when you're done doing it, it should look like this. Now open it up to this side, and now what I can do is this. And I'll do the same thing. That. There. That. Here. Okay. Now see this little pocket. Pocket, see that? Open that pocket and you see this shape. So when you open these up, this should appear, or if you're lucky, it wouldn't. You don't have to open those up and it'll just appear. Okay, now just do the same step. You don't know how to do this one, fold it down like that. But now there's a hard step. Open these up and take this. Fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it. All the way, all the way, all the way down. Just like this. Now sharpen these up. Force it like that. Like that. Now fold it down. Okay. Beat that with us. This is about this close to the field. I don't have an account, so click and start on /Mr. Beast/A. You get 10% off honey. Honey is a thing that is pretty good, and it can save tons and tons of money. You can say it costs you $1,000, but origami saves you more than $100. Honey is a great sponsor. Thank you, Honey, for sponsoring this video. Now what I'm gonna do is okay, and you're done. This okay. Now fold this one up like this. Open up this. Okay. See this little pocket right here. Open up, open up, open up, and sit down. Do that, it will look like this, but if you don't, it will look something else. I'm not that good of an origami like this, but I have a dragon, and I make dragons for a lot of people in my school. I don't even care about them. I just give them out. But I can't. Only use the marker. Now when you're done with that, open these up. Open it up and let's do this. Okay. Now fold them in like this. Okay, and that. Do it on the other side. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. And ba ba ba. And ba ba ba. Okay, when you're done doing it, I'm not done doing it yet. If you're done, let me show you. I'm almost done, so when you're done. If you're done, thank you. I'm not done. I don't really care. But yeah. Bend that down. This. Okay. Flip it over. Now do this. See, there's 3 flaps here. 1, 2, 3. Now see this. Now you want to fold this down like this, towards the flap that has 1. Flip it over. Now do this. Fold it right that line. Do that. Okay. And when you're done, it will look like this. Okay. Now you want to fold it in like, okay. See these 2 flaps here? You don't want those 2 flaps, so you have to fold it in like that. Other side.
知道哈，7点半。哦，雷雷还没过。
我在说话，我在说话，我在说话。Okay, when you're done, it will look like this. Now, which way should we fold it? You have to fold it in that way. Then it will look like this. See? Now let's make the wings. Want to make the wings? See this one? Okay, fold this like that. Then the great curves. Okay. And when you're done, you pull this on this one. See? Now when you're done, if you choose any side, I like to do it this side, so I'm gonna do it this side. And then they'll just do that. Then do that. That. Okay. When you're done with that, you don't know how to do this, let's fold it like that. Right here. Bam. See, when you're done, look at it will look like that. Okay, now do this on the same side, but a little fold like here. Then do the other part the same as this part. I'm just gonna not look at them because yeah. I did show myself in this thing, but I'm not showing this. No, because I don't really want people to see. I don't. Not a big one, but I'm a small one. So good luck. Now when you're done, like this. Now the hard step is gone. Fold this like that, but don't fold it too. Well, just fold it this. See? It'll just look like that. But how is this compared to this? It looks nothing like it. See? Okay, let's now. Then what you want to do is you want to fold it like this. Get it? Huh? Fold it. Then open it back. Don't open it. Okay, let me use a pen and draw the line. You want to do here. This part, I'm gonna fold here. 3 lines you're gonna fold like here, here. I like to do the biggest one. That one's gonna look way better. If you wanna do the same thing, you don't have to. You can do good. But I suggest you use that. That was the coolest one. Since you don't fold it down, you have to fold it up. See? Not down. You have to fold it up. Like that. See? Up, up, up. Bam. When you're done, just squish it with your thumb like that. Make a good crease. Open it up. If you don't want like it, just put it in a straight angle. Then fold it up. Then squeeze it down. I don't really care, but yeah. I just then fold it, put nail in, then fold it back. That will make it look like this. I don't really do very good on this step. Super hard. That. Bam. You're done with your tree. That, and then time for the feet. Feet, you can just bend it down as often as you do it. I like to bend it down because just the crease is very good when you bend it down. Not bad. You want to bend it down just like this. Then, not bend that. See this little opening? Open that up. See this pocket? Open this pocket up. Now squeeze that thing through, then close it. This one's done. Repeat. Other one. You have a perfect parrot. Color it when you're done. Just color it in. Favorite colors like red, and just color it whatever you want. Have to look. Mine looks like. Bye. Thank you for watching this video.